Hey, how's it going, guys? Today I'll be showing you how to solve number 10 from the 2013 AP Calculus AB exam multiple choice section. So the question is right here. The question reads, a particle moves along the x-axis with velocity given by v of t equals 3t squared minus 4, where time is greater than or equal to 0. If the particle is at position x equals -2 at time equals 0, what is the position of the particle at time equals 3? So the equation for the velocity function is 3t squared minus 4. And time is always greater than or equal to 0 because you can never have a negative time. We're given a clue to how to solve the problem, and it's saying that the position x is -2 when time equals 0. The question is asking what the particle's position is going to be when time equals 3. So it's basically asking when t equals 3, what is x? So we have to solve for this question mark right over here. So for those of you who don't know, position is shown as the function x of t. X of t equals and in terms of velocity, position is the integration of velocity, or v of t. So we want to integrate the velocity equation first, and I assume you all know how to do that. So we have to integrate this. So the integral of v of t equals x of t. So if we write it out, 3t squared minus 4 equals t cubed minus 4t plus c. And you always have to remember the plus c right here, or you'll get the question wrong. So this c right here, it's a constant, and we have to first solve for c in order to find what the position is when t equals 3. So the way you can solve for x of t is you're given the clues. You have your two clues that are given up here: x equals -2 and t equals 0. So with those, you could plug it into the function, your position function, and that way you could solve for c. So I'm gonna solve it right now, but pause the video and try solving it first before you keep watching. Just can't get away from mathematics. Counting sheep when you're trying to sleep, being fair when there's something to share, being neat when you're folding a sheet. So after you solve it, you should get a c value of -2. Now you plug it back into the original equation, replace c with -2, and plug in 3 for t. So I'm going to do that right here. T equals, and plug in 3. Sorry for the messy handwriting, it's kind of hard to write it like this. And then so you get this, and then once you solve everything for it, x of t should equal 13. So this basically means when time equals 3, the position of the function is 13. So this is how you solve for number 10, and thanks for watching.